Hello and welcome to this fourth video in the series of rules of the mind for driving anxiety and other fears and phobias. Rule number 4 is the more conscious effort, the greater subconscious resistance there'll be. So this means, quite simply, there is no point in putting conscious effort into overcoming a problem. If you're sitting down and thinking, why have I got this problem? I wonder why I can't drive. It won't do anything. It's all conscious. The answer and the problem and the solution and everything is in your subconscious or unconscious mind. Some people say the subconscious and unconscious are the same. It doesn't matter. I just look at it as conscious and subconscious. So there is no point at all in you fighting the feelings, beating your fear, doing driving lessons to get over driving anxiety. You won't do anything because that isn't even the problem anyway, as we'll look at later in this series. And I've already done many videos about how driving anxiety has nothing to do with driving. So there's no point in forcing the problem. You will not beat it consciously because it's a subconscious problem. So if you put too much effort in, if you're thinking, I wonder what caused this problem, I'm going to go out and drive and beat it, and I'm going to think positively, and I'm going to use willpower, and I'm going to write down all the times I've been scared and logically work out why I've got this problem, you'll never get anywhere because that isn't how you do it. Many times when I ask people, why do you think you've got this fear of driving? They always say, oh, it's my mind protecting me. Yeah, from what? Driving. No, it's not driving. Yes, your mind is protecting you, but I can promise you it's not from driving. And people who say, oh, it is, it's driving, I know, I'm protecting myself because I'm scared to drive because I'm worried about crashing. That is a conscious rationalisation. That means you've looked at a problem you've got, like a fear of driving, and you've consciously tried to make sense of it. It won't work because you're trying to consciously make sense of an unconscious or subconscious thing. It won't work. It'll never work. I've used this example many times before because it's such a great example. If you say to somebody, why do you love your partner? You can't logically write down why you love them. It's a feeling, it's an emotion. It's formed of many different things that have happened over months, weeks, years, whatever. You can't just write down, I love my partner because A, B, C. Do that with your partner and just see what happens. It doesn't work like that. Love is an emotion. Anxiety is an emotion, a feeling, a sensation. It is not logical, as we've already looked at in the previous episode in this series. So you are completely wasting your time with conscious effort. The more you do driving lessons, fighting the feeling, logically working out why you've got a fear of driving, I think it's because I'm scared of having a panic attack when I drive. No, it's not. I think it's because of the bridges. It's not. It's because of the highways. It's not. It's one reason you can get a quick result when you work with someone who knows what they're doing. Because many therapists will say, oh, you've got a fear of driving. Well, book yourself some driving lessons. Wrong. And then we're going to work on the fear of bridges for 6 sessions. They haven't got a fear of bridges. Then we're going to do 5 sessions on the fear of highways. And then we're going to go back and meet the younger you because it's obviously that your parents were scared of driving and you've picked it up from your parents. No, the therapist themselves is making the mistake of breaking the 4th rule of the mind. And you'll be amazed how many therapists don't even know what these rules are. Rule 4, the greater the conscious effort, the greater the subconscious resistance. You can word and phrase it however you want, but it simply means the same thing. The more you are trying to fix a problem, the more you're doing logically to fix it, the further away you are from fixing it. Check out these other videos of mine on the screen now, and if you do want to work with me one-to-one online from anywhere in the world or take any of my courses, contact me through my website firstdrive.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.